Good evening. Welcome to Hungarian Public Media's News in English, Hungary Reports. I'm Híradó, bringing you today's news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin. Let's get started. According to doctors, Hungary has successfully flattened the curve of the number of novel coronavirus cases. This means that the peak could be near. According to data from Tuesday, the number of patients currently in hospitals and others with lighter symptoms quarantined at home dropped below 2,000. According to the chief medical officer, these numbers show that the pandemic is developing according to expectations in Hungary. On the topic of treatment, Cecilia Müller called blood plasma treatment promising. She asked that possible blood plasma donors contact the Central Hospital of South Pest to volunteer. After certain restrictions were lifted on Monday, crowds appeared at doctors' offices, the chief medical officer said at the daily coronavirus press conference. Cecilia Müller emphasized that they're restarting healthcare services gradually. She warned that the loosening of restrictions doesn't mean that everything is going back to what it was like before the pandemic. She asked that everyone call their doctors first and only visit healthcare institutions if they have an appointment. Semmelweis University's countrywide coronavirus screening program is ongoing. All 18,000 participants chosen by statisticians have received their invites to the program. During the survey, specialists will take samples from the nose and the throat, and they will also draw blood samples. The program will use the samples to test for other diseases as well. Professionals ask that everyone who is invited participate in the screening, because that's the only way it can be widespread enough to be representative for age, sex and location. Hungary performed well in the first phase of fighting the pandemic. Building on that, the next phase could be successful as well. The Minister of Finance said in a video uploaded to his social media page. Mihály Varga reminded that during the crisis, businesses are receiving several forms of support, like wage support, for example. He emphasized that the objective is to create as many new jobs as the pandemic destroys. That's all for today. Catch the English news every day around 11:20 p.m. local time or stream it on anytime online. Thanks for watching. Stay home. Good night.